In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a normal paper airplane in case you don't know how to make one. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So first, you're going to want to get a paper. Rectangle is best. I don't have rectangle, so I'm just using a sticky note. And then you're gonna want to fold it half, like this. And then line it up here, and then push to make it as best as you can lined up. And then you want to take it apart and then grab this part and fold it over like this. If I'm going too fast, you know what? You can always pause the video. And you're gonna want to do that on both sides. And then you have this start right here. It should look like this when you're done. You can put your eye through it. And then you just want to fold it over like this. And then it will be like this. And then do that on the other side. And then it'll be like this. Both sides done. And then you are done with your job.